different one.
The Nyamisha and who say, according to what is happening, you say, flood the sea, flood the sea. But flood the kumnipa say this is first of its kind. And the prophecy, God said, it's not something ordinary, it's something strange what doesn't happen. So, and this is a strange thing happening in the nation of Ghana for the first time. And God said, it's something that doesn't happen. So that tells you is the prophecy. The prophecy is what happened. And you heard me also say, say every year from today down I am standing here going. And that was around 2 p.m. And 5 p.m. the rain started. So the prayer, because there are many days. So why did God allow the man to say from today going? So you see, and the flag the man of God mentioned, the flag I mentioned, there was a national declaration, the flag must come half.
Yeah. And 3 days too.
And 3 days morning, because idea Bema Ghana for Tinisu. And president said 3 days morning. They say 3 days ye disu.
And wait say and no bano.
Exactly the prophecy.
Aya wotanya vision e for man ho.
Nyamisha on say de na wo kano. Krom ha no adea e den sofo bia Ghana ha sofo bia ni din hu ni asem. Aye sofo on dealing with prophecy. Because when you deal with prophecy, because Bible said you also ni asase ntemu tie no. Sana awurade adwene ni nipa adwene ntemu etie. So obi pese prophecy no efite ono na understanding. Then who say it's a prophecy. But prophecy can never be the same with somebody's mind. And any time there is a prophecy and it's national prophecy, there is a lot of things surrounding it. Attendidi ebedu and sama kasi ebeka. But there are many prophecies. But those days, you know, now we didn't have television platform and other things. But as I say, already, I adoma on my platform. There are many prophecies here. It was about Ghana. It was videoed and captured. But that we have not even talked about. And the videos are still there.
Until what time?
Every day, other because God.
I say you may do attempt. No, I can't say.
So the issue is that when there is a prophecy, because normally God speaks in His house when there is something going on. So what we do is we capture the thing in front of the congregation, then we put it. So when time comes for us to talk about it, we talk about it. So one thing we have to understand, so they say, prophecy, no, it belongs to God. And to win him because look at this prophecy. It came 3 hours to the incidents. There was not even a day. 3 hours space. That is how God decided to do it.
And to see no walk and no see bebre kura and no can was some kura I won't pass can was some. Ubutumi aka bia no so
she say nyame
about count this country Ghana.
Say nyame eya adom kura bia. There is one part of this prophecy we are talking about. That if God gives us the grace, we will come and talk about it on this same platform. In the month of February in this 2015, all night, because every Friday we are all night. Our prophetic evangelistic ministry is every Friday. Solenana, Radema me friend Crofobi, Omufre Asante Mampon, Beposo. Soleno, and radical me say there is going to be a multiple death in one town. And the thing is between Asante Mampon, Beposo and Asante Mampon Suta. It's a just close town. Yeah. It's a walking distance. Yeah. So I mentioned the thing and I gave the prophecy. But you see, there was people from the same town. They heard a prophecy, but nobody even asked, what do we do? They heard it.
But Obian Bisasa, so and I also one can't the ammonia.
On sometime until the question is asked, you can't give answer.
I don't know me a year of say Bessie. No one be saying I'm sent to said, dear Nanye. Nanya men fam mount. No Muka just say, I'm saying Bessie, no Yanya said, any panel conwanya.
So you see, I called the ladies. And they know even God mentioned a particular people that they are carpet boys. And family members were there. But they said boys, you know, they do Sunday and almost market, but they said, no, Mabusia for Okacha almost say, BBC Yaba is about between Biposo in Suta to a moment and Omunya or Maduman to what say, Omoba solid. So that was February.
And then so a see.
Could you believe that dear way you see, you know? Biposo carpet boys, 5 one day. And there are 2 girls also from the same Biposo, 7 from one town. And God said the thing is between Asantima Ponsuta and Biposo. And the 7 dead people one day. The 7 funerals is in one town.
Nah, Majlis Kawuni, so bompire be say I've been down on the way. As you came to me, you answer.
Yamisha, way yeah. Strong question here. People don't understand. So when you read Matthew chapter 24, you hear what Jesus said. Matthew 24, 6 and 7. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass. Jesus said it. Listen, war is not a good thing, but Jesus said all these things must come to pass.
I sent to come back to tell Kwakosam. Now, so,